Welcome to our practice for spring. That's me, Ciara Pingaron. Let's get started in spinning barrel. Feet are hip width distance, shoulders relaxed down. Nice and loose arms here as you're spinning. This is a delightful invitation to just experience that nice, gentle rocking motion that happens in spinning barrel. Eyes can be open or closed. Spring is all about the liver, the gallbladder, the wood element in Chinese medicine. So anything that opens up the waist is good. Notice that I've shifted into counter swing here. You can just stay in spinning barrel. If you're doing counter swing, it's an inhale up and an exhale with the arms dropping down. Just adds a little bit more movement right at the waist. Slowing down that barrel a little bit, we'll move into the next section, which involves opening up the gallbladder channel. So inhaling up, bending to one side or the other to get that nice side stretch. Inhale, exhale, return to center. Switch, inhale, exhale, return to center, and switch. Continue on. Getting that really nice rib side stretch here. The gallbladder channel is one of the longest channels in the human body. It traverses everything from your head all the way down to your toes. Find your center once more. We're going to do this style of breath called drumming the Qi. So take a peek here. You are literally letting the arms kind of drop against the front of the diaphragm. Their elbows are actually gently striking the diaphragm. So you're inhaling as the arms swing up, and you're exhaling as they gently strike the body. I recommend using a sh sound, which is the wood sound for the liver. Just letting the arms swing freely, and then bumping up against that diaphragm region as you exhale. Go ahead and let that go. We're going to move into cloud hands. So this again is turning at the waist. The eyes are tracking along, watching the hands move like clouds moving across the sky. Breathing here, however feels comfortable. This portion is more about the movement and meditation. Like you're laying on green grass, looking up at the clouds and the blue sky, and watching them pass in front of your face. Beautiful spring activity. You'll notice this also involves a nice twist at the waist here. So all of these motions are aimed at moving and opening the diaphragm, the liver, the gallbladder. All very important things in spring. Spring is all about expansion and growth. The wood element is also associated with frustration and anger. Another good reason to open up this region if you're feeling a little irritable. This could be a good practice to utilize. Go ahead and let that go. Let's come back to center. Find your center of gravity. Now let's hold that whole diaphragm and liver region. And maybe imagine that you're sending it nice green healing light. Green is the color of spring and wood element. Just setting intention to give yourself what you need today. closing the form. May you be well. Take care.